good thing, you know.
Yeah.
You should be brave enough to protect yourself.
It is very important. I think I should tell every woman to learn self-defense and protect yourself, because nobody is going to do that.
Protect you. That's very important.
it
So
is
what was
very-
your incident? Give them an inspiration. You got something and maar mur ke aage.
Yeah,
College time pe.
College time pe bhi matlab, so I remember me and my friend, we were walking together, and one guy came and he pinched my friend.
Oh, it's
And
in college time.
It's in college time, and I didn't know that, and she started crying, and then she's like, this happened. I said, why you are quiet? She said, because what can I do? I said, just let's go back. We went back, and I slapped that guy, and I slapped him 2-3 times, and he was scared and he ran away.
You were not scared, like, that
No.
he'll come back, or
See, you should always speak out for wrong things, and I think I'm ready to face the consequence, because I can't tolerate nonsense.
Really, a big hats off to you, really. And I think recently also there was a news that
Yeah.
उसको भी बड़ा मारवाड़ अच्छा दिखा दिया था. That was
That time I protected myself, but yeah, that was a nightmare.
What was that like?
Some stalker tried to.
You were in night. You were going.
Yeah, I was walking on the road, and
It's in Mumbai happened.
Yeah, it's in
Okay.
Mumbai, and that person tried to attack me with a knife and all that. So yeah, it was some psychotic people. They just try to follow you, stalk you like that. So it was like that.
So why he's behind you? Didn't try to find out why, like
He
it
wanted
happened?
me to be with him, which I don't know. I don't
Oh my
know
God.
him.
Oh.
It was a crazy person. I don't know him at all.
So how you overcome that, like the safety point of view when you go back to Bombay, or you take precautions? Now it is somewhere have affected, or you have come out very strongly?
I think you have to take precautions, because you can't live your life in fear, but you have to be safe at the same time.
So how you do that? What precaution tips are you taking? We also need to know.
Self-defense for sure.
You have learned within judo
MMA,
karate?
kickboxing.
You learned all this?
Yeah, I know all that.
Kickboxing, okay, first thing.
Yeah, MMA also, a bit of MMA, kickboxing, and
One spray, I think chili
yeah, pepper
spray.
spray or tasers are very helpful.
Chaku वाकू नहीं कुछ हम लोग
That is risky.
I know.
Taser, pepper spray is fine. Even my case is eligible for weapon license, but I didn't take it because it's too much, not needed. Yeah.
So when you learn these all things after this incident?
No,
or before?
kickboxing I knew earlier also, but MMA I tried to learn after that.